people, have you heard the news about the sweaty little things inside your shoes? Yeah, I've heard about the Muppets, but they're not as cute as my sock puppets. Yeah, and here's the story of their life. Sock puppet, ooh, sock puppet, with your wiggly jiggly eyes, and your wiggly jiggly eyes, with your weird button nose, with the strings all attached, and your soft, silky skin. Oh, your soft, silky skin. Sock puppet, ooh, sock puppet, yeah. Stay tuned for the first episode of Sock Puppet World, and it's going to be amazing. Now give it up for Lemon-sickle and Lemon Slice. Hey! Hey, Lemon-sickle. Oh, hey, Lemon Slice. How's it going? Good. How are you? I'm good. I'm really bored today. Me too. Let's climb the